In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Instagram account to your Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account and you want to add another one, so first you want to click on the top right here and click Accounts Center, then Profiles, Add Accounts, add Instagram account. You want to put your Instagram account over here. I'm gonna put my email. Now I'm gonna put my password, and then I'm gonna click login. Now I'm gonna click confirm account, continue, yes, finish adding, and you just want to go back over here and you're done. So if you want to switch to the other account, just click at the top over here and click the other account, and there you go. This is how you add a Instagram account to your Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.